Hello, everybody. Welcome to your Talking Fitchburg headlines this Monday, March 25th, 2024. The South Stoner Prairie open house is coming up, so take a look at this news story. The City of Fitchburg Planning Department is hosting a public open house for the South Stoner Prairie neighborhood plan on March 27th. MSA, the hired planning consultant, will provide a brief overview of the neighborhood planning process completed to date and will discuss draft land use diagrams that support some initial ideas for the long-term build-out of the neighborhood. There will be maps and concepts to review, as well as opportunities to provide feedback. Comments received will support crafting a preferred concept and an overall vision statement for the South Stoner Prairie neighborhood. The presentation will likely be between 5:30 and 6 p.m. with the open house to follow. You can follow the link in the description below to learn more about this event and view the agenda online. You should also consider getting involved in local government. So one of the most important elements of local government is its committee structure. Most boards, commissions, and committees meet once a month and involve only a couple of hours of commitment per month. They're comprised of a combination of city staff members and appointed citizen representatives. We're currently looking to fill positions on the Board of Review. So if you have a background in law, real estate, appraisals, tax knowledge, or assessments, please consider applying to serve on the board. We would love to have you apply. Happening this week and for the rest of the week, every single day, in-person absentee voting is available at City Hall. So this is for the 2024 April 2nd spring election and presidential preference primary. You can vote an absentee ballot in person in the Fitchburg room of Fitchburg's Community Center located at 5520 Lacey Road in Fitchburg, Wisconsin. The hours of operation are Tuesday, March 19th through Thursday, March 28th, 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. And then the last day to vote this Friday is March 29th, and we have extended hours, 7:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. So that's your last day to vote absentee ballot. And if you miss that, you'll have to vote on the election day, April 2nd, 2024. Later in April, there's the Arbor Day tree and shrub planting event. That's happening the last Friday in April because that day is Arbor Day. On April 26th, you can join Mayor Julia Arata Frada and the Parks Department at 10:30 a.m. for a tree planting and raising a flag to celebrate Fitchburg's designation as a tree city of the world. Other events include a tree planting and invasive shrub clearing on Saturday, April 12th at McGaw Park, 1 to 3 p.m. April 27th, there's the tree and shrub planting at Rose Commons Park. That's happening 10 a.m. to noon. And if you have any questions, please reach out to Fitchburg's urban forest / naturalist, Anna Healy. Her email is anna.healy@fitchburgwi.gov. Other Earth Day themed promotions, it's Earth Month at ecochallenge.org. So the website ecochallenge.org hosts team and individual challenges throughout the year. And once again, they're hosting a special challenge for Earth Month. Sign up at earthmonth.ecochallenge.org for a challenge that pushes you to take actions in line with the United States Sustainable Development Goals, a set of 17 goals created in 2015 with the ultimate goal of creating a better and more sustainable future for all. Finally, we want to remind you about Meals on Wheels. The Senior Center provides home-delivered and on-site meals. As of October 1st, 2023, the cost of each meal is $17.20. As of that same day, October 1st, 2023, you can choose the salad option Monday through Thursday, but that's limited to dine-in customers only. A minimum of $4.50 is recommended as the recommended donation. And if you're 60 plus years of age, payments are on a donation basis. So social workers are required to do a free meal assessment before home delivered meals start. If you have any questions, please call the Senior Center at 270-4290. And that's all we have for you today. So enjoy your evening, and we'll see you again tomorrow for more Talking Fitchburg headlines.